Good morning. All right, let's see what the markets has for us today. I see some bullish momentum. Yep, I see bullish momentum. Yeah, I'm feeling bearish right now. Consolidation is the manipulation. I'm gonna place the entry up here. I'm logging into my trader vet. Give me 1 second. Let's do one contract. This is kind of a 1-to-1. Let me see something. Put a limit order right here. How big is the stop loss? Kind of a big stop loss. I'm not sure if we'll get tapped in. It's like a 1.5, 1.6. Let me look at the 15-minute again. Yeah. We want to sweep this low. We want to see this low sweep right here. I want to see this low sweep. Excuse me. So that's, what is that? 1.93. Not quite 2, but let's see if they tag us in. I'm willing to risk $145 for a chance to earn 278, and that's just one contract. Maybe I'll put another contract in. We shall see. We shall see. 5 minutes into the live. Audio testing, audio testing. Okay, we good. How do I? All right, let me get out of that. All right, get back on the charts, Royal. Get back on the charts. Part of me wants to push this down to 2 because I always go for at least 1 to 2. So let me see how many more. About right there. Yeah. Yeah, it's about right. One to 2. What is that? 57? 57 ticks. All right, we got a fairly large stop loss, but let's see if we get tagged in. Now we wait and we eat these freshly sliced apples. I believe we were bearish yesterday. I believe the market was bearish yesterday. We might be getting tagged in a hot second. We in. We're live, boys and girls. We are live. Is this bullish action or what the hell? Let me see. If we lose the trade, we're done for the day. Yeah, we were bullish yesterday. Looks like the market is pushing higher so far. I'm looking at my stocks. I know the stock market is a little bit different than the futures market, but I think they correlate sometimes. I haven't did the comparison. I have no idea. Stock portfolio looking good though. Stock portfolio looking good, and it looks like we were tapped in and we're pushing to the downside so far. We don't know if this trade will play out. I hope it do. I hope it do. If it start dumping, we want to see a retracement, a pullback, and then a continuation. And of course, we can move our stop loss into to secure some profit. All right, I got 2 messages I got to check on Instagram. Yeah, profit is pushing. Price is pushing. Let me see. Let me check out the 2 hour. Yeah, I'm not sure. Potentially. Swap the liquidity. Okay, I see it. All right, come back up. Test that. Yeah, we could be dumping. We could be dumping. Let's see if this pushes on our favor. Let's see if this pushes in our favor. Two zones right here. I want to see both of these zones hold. And if they do, we're going to print some money, y'all. Let's go down to the 3-minute. What is Doji turn red? Will this Doji turn red and give us some bullish action, or the bears stepping back in? That was a perfect entry, though. You see how the entry? You see how went back up? Got tagged in perfectly. I am not your guru. I'm just a guy that's been staring at the markets for 2.5 years losing money. I don't like that. I don't like that. I need this counter to be red. I need this counter to be red. Unless we do one more tap at my entry and then reverse. I'll be okay with that. One more retest. Oh, shit. Alrighty. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. There we go. There we go. Sellers are starting to step in. Let's check out the account. I'm trading on my new account right now. Is that right? Tagged in right there. me get rid of this real fast. Oh, that's accurate. Yeah, that's accurate. We tagged in perfectly right here. I really don't. Unless it retests this and then continue to dump down. But ultimately, I want to see price break under this structure. We only use one contract. It's a waiting game from here. Wait. How was you guys' weekend? What you guys do? It's Tuesday. We had a decent trade yesterday. What was trade? What was yesterday's trade? Let me see. Let me go to Tradeify. So yesterday's trade was decent. We pulled out 145. We'll see what we can do today. And so far, we're starting into our 5th week. So far, I don't know if it's going to end profitable, but so far, we're starting into our 5th week of profitability. If we can end this week profitable, that'll be 5 weeks of profits pulled out of the market. And we're going to try to continue this trend until the rest of July. So we got this week, followed by 2 more weeks, 3 weeks of profitability. That'll put me at over 2 months of pulling profits out of the market. A nice momentum shift from 2.5 years of failure. And as we check back on our trade, that closed a red doji. It's indecisive right here. We don't know what it wants to do. I hope it dumps. I hope the bears jump out the window. That was crazy. You see how fast I did my analysis? It usually takes a little longer, but sometimes it doesn't have to. All right. Instantly open up the 12-hour chart, see the structure, look at the 15-minute chart, see the structure, and place an entry on the 3-minute chart. It can be that simple. Of course, every day won't be that simple, but today, maybe we're gonna make some money. Maybe we're gonna lose some money. If I lose this trade, I'm done for the day, though. If I win this trade, I'm done for the day. I want to see price push to the downside before I move my stop loss, because I'm still giving this trade room for error in case it spike back up and create a double top. But right now, we wait. Right now, we try to stay patient. We got 2 minutes until 7 o'clock. See if we can start seeing some bearish action after 7. Let me see the regular candles. Let me see what the regular candles look like. Yeah, we just chopping. We just chopping around, y'all. I don't know. Yeah, I don't want to add another contract until I see some structures break. Until we break that low. I want to see us break that low right there. Then maybe I'll add a contract. Or not. I don't know. Maybe I'll just keep one contract on this. Don't want to try to be too greedy, but I do want to pass this evaluation. We want to be done with this evaluation so we can get live. Start making some real money because this is cool, but evaluations is just, you're not earning anything. It's helping you get to the money, but it's not. You're not earning anything. So we just choppy as hell right now. Let me see what's going on. I would love to see this bearish candle right here. What is this? Okay, so there's still resistance right here. It's not breaking past this. Double top. I would love to see this close bearish. This close bearish. That would make me happy. I want to see these lows swept right here. I want to see these lows swept. Then I want to see this low swept. Potentially price coming back up, rejecting it, and pushing back down. That's what I want to see. That's what I want to see. Let me see what the Forex market doing. Should I place a trade on Forex too? Looks like it's doing the same thing, possibly. Possibly. I gotta do a full top down. Excuse me, y'all. It ain't doing the same thing. Well, buyers did take profit up here, so sellers could be stepping in. But I prefer. Yeah, this is a zone that buyers didn't buy past these areas. So this could be a sell from this zone too, right here on the Forex market. Potentially. Back into the mean. Back into this mean reversion right here. That's 2 hour. I might trade Forex on Friday. Might trade Forex on Friday. Because I haven't traded Forex in a while. It's been a couple of days. I lost my last couple trades on Forex. I started off hot though. We won our first 5 trades on Forex, and then we lost like a bunch of small trades. Getting stopped out and stuff. Okay, I like it. It's showing me what I like. It's showing me what I like. I like what I see. Oh, this is only a doji. That's cool. We want to see a doji complete. Wait, where am I? I'm on a 15. Let's go back to the 3. This looks like we're starting to break the lows of the consolidation. Then we want to see the manipulation sweat. And if we sweep under this and create more down structure and then push back up, I might add another entry as we start pushing back down to sweep these lows. Maybe. Maybe. I don't know, my boy. I didn't even know. You gotta look right though. Now, from here, I probably could put my. No, I'm gonna wait. I probably could push my stop loss back into push my stop, lower my stop to lower my risk. Because we don't want to lose $145. Yeah, I probably should just leave this alone and just let this run to TP. That's what I probably should do. Just let that thing run. Let him run, my boy. I'm liking what I'm seeing. I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. Okay, we got a flat. Actually, yeah, I like that. I ain't gonna lie to you. I like that pair. All right, let's do a little reading, y'all. I would love to see more. I would love to see this structure swept so that I could push my stop loss down. I probably should push my stop loss down actually now. No, I'm gonna wait a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna push it to here. Let's read today's Stoic philosophies. A little knowledge is dangerous. Every great power is dangerous for the beginner. You must therefore wield them as you are able, but in harmony with nature. Hmm. This relates to the markets as well. It says early promise can lead to overconfidence and create bad habits. So true. Overconfidence in these markets can lead to bad habits of you viewing the market a certain way or using certain indicators or just having certain beliefs as well. Those who pick things up quickly are notorious for skipping the basic lessons and ignoring the fundamentals. Don't get carried away. Take it slow. Train with humility. Yeah. All right. So price is pushing in our favor. A part of me wants to move my stop loss now. I think it's only right. I think it's only right, y'all. I think it's only right to secure a little bit of price, just a little bit. Yeah, I think I'm ready to secure just a little bit of profit. Just a little bit. Not too much, just a little bit, just a little something. Just a little something. We're gonna stop it right there. Just so we can have some wiggle room. Now it's a risk-free trade, baby. We can't lose. We can't lose. Um, go back to the candles. Look like this low is getting swept right here. This low getting swept right here. I like it. Hopefully, I'm kick us out though. Hopefully, we can survive the retracement. Hopefully, we can survive the retracement. Should I push it out one more? ETD. It's coming. I think we got a little bit more. All right, this the moment of truth right here, y'all. This the moment of truth. Well, not quite, but we're getting there though. Well, we still got 2 minutes and 20. Let's see how this candle close first. Are we gonna close bullish or are we gonna close bearish? I don't know. But we got a little profit pushing in our favor. Not quite ready to add to this trade just yet. But probably wants to wait until price push back up into here. Use this as resistance. And if we start seeing some more bearish, I might add until we get down here. Until we sweep down here. I'm not sure. Or I'll add another TP, but I probably should go heavy actually until I get down here. Because that would be the next spot. The next potential resistance. So we wait. We just wait. It's a waiting game. I guess I could play on Instagram for a little bit. Hopefully we can survive this retracement. Oh shit, okay. All right, I think I'm gonna add another. I'm adding. I'm gonna add one more contract. All right, so we added another contract. Oh shit, too far. Too far, my boy. Back that ass up. I swear I need a computer, bro. That's a gift that I want to give myself as a new laptop. For sure, a new laptop will be an amazing gift. A new Apple computer. Because I don't think I'm messing with HP no more. HP, man, I'd have had a lot of HPs in the past. Cords always failing. Something always going wrong. And my fan recently went out in my computer, so it gets hot really fast. And I'd be having to close the laptop down and let it cool off because the fan don't work no more. Man, the journeys of being a trader, right? So part of me wants to push this. When did I get in? I got in. Hold on one second. Yeah, I got in. That's what it's pushing. So let's see if we make a retracement. Yeah, that 15-minute look good. 15-minute looking damn good. I might be moving everything to that. How can I see? Let's see what we do though. This is where we actually close, because you could be trying to come back. Just looking for some liquidity before it continues to the downside. And I'm trying not to be the liquidity. Yeah, I should have waited to a um green retracement before I added another contract. But there is resistance right here. Let's just hope it holds. Let's see if it holds. Okay, we just swept that. Shit. It's getting dicey, y'all. It's getting dicey. A part of me wants to push these stop losses back a little bit. This is where I be messing my trades up sometime. Should I add here? Where we gonna close? Doji. Okay, I like that. I think we might be safe if we get a red candle right here. This is one of the determining factors. If we get a bullish, how far up it's going to actually, and then where it actually closes. Because closing price is the only thing that. And if we can get like another doji or some more bearish momentum to start pushing to the downside. But downside structure, I probably should add. Yeah, I'm thinking of adding another position right here. I'm thinking of adding another position right here. I'm gonna go for it. I'm adding more risk. Hopefully it plays. So we 4 contracts in. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we 4 contracts in. I can't add no more risk. All right, I gotta chill. I gotta chill. Because this thing could reverse on me and totally disappoint me. And if it do, then I'm done for the day for sure. But if I'm correct, it's gonna be a nice payday. We wait. We just gotta wait. We just gotta wait. I don't like that. I don't like that shit right there, boy. I don't like it. I need to see a reversal right here. A reversal on the pivot signal. Wait, I ain't waiting on your signals, bro. I'm not waiting on my signals. I'll be forgetting to wait on my signals, bro. But watching the candles, let me see. That don't look too bad. That don't look too bad. If it can close. If it can close. Because I know these wicks can be dangerous. The wicks can be dangerous. But we need to see a candle close. We need to see a candle close. Yes. But we need to close. We need to close under that zone. I want to see candles. I want to see candles closing under the zone and pushing more to the downside. That's what I want to see. That's what I want to see. So I feel getting antsy. I feel myself getting antsy, ready to close out something. But I'm okay. I'm okay. Up here would have been another entry, a better entry, because I think I added it right here and then I added around here. But adding in this, yeah, because it's showing you resistance right here. So it's resisting this zone right here. So it's stepping back in. But we still got to close. We still got a minute and 8 seconds. And we want to see the next candle close bearish as well. I want to see the next couple candles close bearish. Yeah, I need to see this thing don't. I need to see this thing jump out the window. This might be like a $300 trade if things go correctly. I ain't liking that. 30 seconds. Well, it may not be so bad as long as we don't break that high. The high that we just created. It's look like it's gonna close a doji and then reverse. Nah, I don't like it. Come on, bro. Push back down. Fuck me. Push back down. Oh my god, bro. I ain't liking this. I ain't liking it. Nah. Mm-mm. I ain't liking it, y'all. I hope I ain't screw myself. Create a double top, then dump. Three-minute double top, then dump. I don't know. I want to see a doji. Another bullish candle in this area would not be good for us. Good for me. Like y'all ain't losing though, buddy. This the moment of truth right here. If we can hold this on, bro. If we can hold this on, I can't add no more though. I can't add no more size. I cannot add any more size. But I want to see the zone held In fact, I probably should move all my stop losses above that structure just to protect myself. That's what I'm thinking right now. That's what I'm thinking about right here. But these next 2-3 minute candles, it's going to give me some more data. We consolidating right now. Okay, I see it's slightly rejecting it, but I need to see a close, bro. I need to see a close. It's too much back and forth, man. And we do have our pivot signal, but is it gonna hold? Is it gonna repaint and turn bullish? We don't know until the candle close. But we four contracts in. I'm not liking that. I'm not liking that, bro. No, I'm not liking that. We might lose some money, y'all. If we do, we out. If we do, we done for. I mean, we could sweep these highs right here and then reverse. But I'm not liking this, y'all. I'm not liking this bullish. I'm not liking it. I'm not liking it. How far are we gonna go, man? How far are we gonna go? Oh, that thing searching for liquidity. That thing desperately searching for liquidity. Damn, y'all. It ain't looking good. It ain't looking good. If we can survive this, I think we'd be good, though. I mean, so that we don't accept the full loss if we get stopped out. Can we survive this? Fuck, bro. Already coming for they coming for us, bro. We about to become liquidity, y'all. I think we about to fucking become liquidity. I might wait. No, the 15-minute. What? Go back to the 15. Bro. Go back to the fuck. Damn. Too much confidence. Too much confidence. Too much size. It's giving us a fucking double top, bro. Yeah, that 15-minute reverse real fast. Damn, the 15-minute was strong. We going up? Did the bias just change? Yeah, the bias reversed. It ain't giving us bullish momentum no more. It was. Yeah, I think I might be done, y'all. Unless I go in full buy right here and go heavy. Damn. Consolidation. That was the manipulation. This is the continuation. I probably had it wrong. I think I had it wrong. Let's try one more time. Let's try one more time. I'm probably about to lose a lot more money or either make the right decision. Nah, I can't go that hard. I can't go that hard. All right, the bias has officially been my bias switch, bro. My bias is officially a buyer now. Um, this could be a good thing or a bad thing. I probably should be done for the day, to be honest. I probably should be done and just accept the loss. My bias has changed. What highs am I reaching for? These highs. Even though we're not above this though yet, Royal. I probably should just get the fuck out and run. Let me go back to the 2. Nah, that thing should have done, bro. Unless what do we well be? It could very well be. That structure was broken. Come back up. He's supposed to be right there. I don't know, y'all. I probably should close this trade and just accept my loss, bro. That's what I'm thinking right now. Go for me. Go for me. I should have kept everything minimum risk. Oh, unless we were coming down to retest this zone. This is on that buyer step back in. This could potentially be the zone that buyer step back in. This one. This shit's stressful, bro. All right, I got a trail tight now. Let's see if we get some bullish momentum. So the 3-minute is looking bullish like hell. I see the liquidity sweat right there. I thought that was downside liquidity, but it could be buyer. What's the 15-minute looking like? Yeah, I really don't know, y'all. Yeah, I added too much size. I got a note right here too. I lose when I add and watch. And that's exactly what just happened. Gotta get the hell out. Yeah, price ain't looking good, bro. I think I'll close this, bro. Was that just another double top as far as to reverse? Yeah, I'm not liking this. I think that was just a reversal of my. Yeah, I gotta get the fuck out of here, bro. All right, I think I'm done for the day, y'all. All right, I'm done for the day. I don't know if I'm gonna get back in. I'm gonna watch it on my own. Cause this probably was just a double top. But I think I'm done. I done lost enough money in it for the day. Probably like $300, $400. Put a dent in that in that profitable week. I can on my own and add some more risk, but I gotta wait and watch and get more confirmation because that was ugly. I should have kept the one contract. I should have kept my one contract. And when I got stopped out here, then reevaluate because that would have gave me a little bit of profit and then possibly another entry up here. Or if I just would have kept the original trade where the stop loss was up here, I would still be in profit right now. But I gotta wait for my confirmation. I gotta wait for more and more confirmation. I might get back in and try to get some of that profit back. But that's all I got for you in this video. Bro. Ah man, that was horrible right there. That was freaking horrible. Trying to push to the downside, so I'm not sure. I am not freaking sure. I should have secured that little profit I had and not added any more size. Add more size at my entry. I'm gonna just watch because the bias definitely flipped, and it's still like yeah, some liquidity, and I was the fucking liquidity. So it's giving us the real candle. The real candle was a huge fucking doji, bro. I was hoping this motherfucker was gonna turn red, and it was red. But of course, we still got an hour and 13 minutes before this candle closed. But if you look on the 15-minute, now we're above. It is, yeah, this could still be just a double top on the 15-minute. Could we still under? We still under this resistance cloud right here. So my bias could still be bearish, but it probably just cleared out some liquidity because all this was chopped. And when you see consolidation, there's always some manipulation that follows. I thought this was the manipulation. No, because we didn't clear it down. We got to clear both sides. Maybe this is the downside manipulation. This is the upside manipulation. But if I would have just kept my original stop loss, which my original stop loss was up here, right above this, we would still be safe right now. Fuck, we would still be safe. Looks like Vincent disappeared. All right. Mercy. Yeah, let me erase this shit, bro. Because at this moment, I don't know. We too choppy around that damn zone, bro. We too choppy around that zone. Don't tell me it's gonna turn back bearish. Yeah, I should have secured a little bit of profit. I didn't. That's my fault. That's my fault. And I should have kept my losses shorter. I should have put my yeah, I should have put see that this was a flat at one point. This was a 15-minute bearish flat, which means price should be pushing back down. But then that one 15-minute candle fucked us. That one 15-minute candle screwed us. Are we going back down to the downside, bro? See, this is what I'm talking about, bro. That probably was just a liquidity sweep. My brain is tired at this moment, to be honest, because I still, it's like in the middle of bearish and in the middle of bullish. Oh, this 2 hour is. The 2 hour is starting to become bullish now. But at first it was looking bearish, man. Looking like it was going to reverse. So right here, so it still could reverse this resistance. I don't know what these huge wicks are right here, but yeah, it could just be a double top, potentially. Unless the resistance was up here, unless I got it wrong. Unless I was looking at the wrong zone. Unless this was the correct one. Yeah, this might actually be the zone. It wasn't this one. I don't think it was this one. I think I was trying to trade off of the zone. It might have been this one. This one makes more sense. Yeah, this one makes more sense. These huge wicks though, bro. I don't like the wicks though, bro. I'm kind of afraid to get back in, my boy. Nah, that's giving us bearish momentum on a 15. The 2 hour was giving us some bullshit. It traded into this zone. But then there's another resistance right here. So I don't know, y'all. Nah, that's too much. Yeah, I think I'm done for the day, bro. A part of me want to get back in and try to make some money back, but that's you already know how that go when you try to revenge trade, y'all. Probably like $300-400 loss. I went on to the I screwed up this account. I just screwed up. It's like that was a $300 loss potentially. I'm looking on. Let me share this tab with y'all. So I don't know if this has fully updated. For something, but with the profit that we had, it ended up at 314. Looks like that's not too bad. It's not too bad. We had a little bit of cushion. Yeah, I think I just got the zone wrong. I don't like that, bro. That 2 hour is. I don't know what they want to do right now. Yeah, I should keep my ass out the market for a little bit. I can't get back in, not right now. It's not safe for me to get back in. I should have kept the original stop loss I had. We would still be safe. That's the danger about adding and trying to push your fiction on the market because it's bullish, but it's bearish right now. Also, just a huge indecision 2 hour candle. Market don't know which way you really want to go. And that's why I should have been careful because it was looking bearish. I ain't gonna lie to you. That thing was looking bearish in the motherfucker. We got a break and a retest right here. So I was thinking, yeah, that we can come back and retest one of these zones. I think I got the zone wrong though. This could be the zone. It could reject off of here and then, but I'm not sure. I think I was trying to trade off of this one or another 15-minute one that was a little bit smaller. Let's finish and find that. Yeah, I don't know, y'all. Maybe 30 to 40 minutes, the next couple 15 minutes candles. I gotta watch the 15 now to see what's going on. I was staying online because I seen a comment, but I think bro disappeared. So yeah. Yeah, I don't know if this is double top action for another reversal or if we're gonna break the stocks. Show me we was at what where that bullish sentiment came from. It's in the same spot. It's in the exact same spot. Huge doji, exactly like we're seeing right now. I'm gonna close the I'm gonna close this chart down. Horrible first attempt. I still gotta watch these 15-minute candles because watching these 3 minutes ain't gonna do it. Not after the loss we just took. We'll see if I get back in. You'll see from tomorrow's. The one viewer and the one question that I did have, I think he logged off. I was too busy locked in on charts. But what a day. What a day.